Hi everyone, I'm going to do a quick review on how to locate your articles using the AEA online database, specifically the Gale articles. So here we are on our schedule. You're going to click into this link under February 11th. It's also earlier in our class schedule. This link is going to take you directly to the digital sources. This is where you need to be. On the Gale, these three, doesn't really matter which one you hit. So scroll down maybe a little bit if it's not showing on your screen. Click on the Gale. It's also called InfoTrack. Then you're going to click on high school. Just do the top hit right there. Then it's going to ask for the password. That's the KAEA 072, KAEA 01. Hit sign in. Then you're going to have to hit high school again, academic one file all over again, after you've entered the password. And then you want to start not just with the overall company name, but this time when you're looking for the two required articles, again, newspaper or magazine articles, you're going to want to look for something more specific. Remember, these articles are not going to give you a whole bunch of information. They're going to focus on a specific event, maybe that's occurring, a new product that's being introduced, profits of the company, advertising, whatever. And then be patient, unlike me, and don't click return right away, but look at some of the suggestions it gives you. I am going to try one of these that it gives me and see what happens. Remember, again, it can be a newspaper article, a magazine article. Please don't look at academic articles for this particular report. We're going to look at magazine articles, and I have 178, and I have 161 newspaper articles. I'm going to go for the magazine articles. Remember, you can search by relevance, so it's going to match your term, or you can search by date, right? So newest and oldest. And I'm going to try out the newest, so I get some articles that are current and up to date. This one talks about America's hottest brands, so that seems kind of appealing. It comes from something I've heard of before called Advertising Age. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to skim through it and see if it looks like it's long enough. Looks like, yeah, it's going to give me perhaps information in red. If you keep looking down, finally I found it. Whatever your search term was, it's in red. I'm thinking this might be helpful, just a little piece of information, and the title is fun. That'd be fun to include in my paper. I'm going to grab the citation before I do anything else so I don't forget. What style are we using? APA. It's not first, so you have to click on the APA tab. Then you're going to highlight the information, or you can hit select, copy it, and then go back to your, of course, paper, your report, paste it in right away. Remember to use paste and match style so that you can get into this particular file and match the font that you have. Use the size, just makes it a little bit quicker and safer and saner, so you don't have to go back and add and change everything. My internet's a little bit slow. All right, there it is. I'm going to go to up here in the Chrome bar. I'm going to go to edit, paste and match style, and then it will match everything. The only thing I lost was add age, the name of the magazine, lost its italics. And so I'm going to re-italicize that, as well as the volume number in APA gets italicized. Then I'm going to hit return, then I'm going to hit tab. And then it will move over for me, right? So I can have that second line indented, which is important. Then I'm going to go back to, of course, the article after I have saved the citation in APA format down in my reference list. And I'm going to skim through the article. Remember, you can highlight straight away in these articles. You can just highlight with your mouse and then click the information, right? And then I could take that information and, of course, make it into a quick Google Keep, right? So down here is the information that talks about the Pez candies. So, of course, I want that. I'm going to go just to copy, then I'm going to go back to my paper, click on my keeps. Remember, my keeps are over here on gold, and you can actually take a note or make a new keep research note card right from within your document. You don't have to be outside of it. I pasted in the citation first because apparently I didn't copy it, and I'll try that again. And I'm going to remember that I'm quoting this information. All right, my time is up with my Screencastify. Hope this helps a little bit so you remember how to get back in to use these articles.